This video tutorial I will explain Java networking terminology. Here you can see the Java networking terminologies: IP address, protocol, port number, MAC address, connection oriented protocol and connectionless protocol and socket. Full form of IP address is Internet Protocol Address, and IP address is a numerical label which is assigned to each device connected to the computer network that uses Internet Protocol for communication. Here you can see the example of IP address. This part is network ID and this part is host ID. And IP address is a logical address that can be changed. To find IP address of your computer, what you can do is you can use ipconfig command and execute it in command prompt. Enter, and here you can see the IP address of my computer. Here we will see what is protocol. Protocol is set of rules and guidelines for communicating data. Rules are defined for each step and process during communication between two or more computers. Networks have to follow these rules to successfully transmit the data. Protocol is set of rules basically that is followed for communication. Example of protocols are TCP, FTP, Telnet, SMTP and POP. Here we will see what is port number. Port number is used to uniquely identify different applications or different services. It acts as a communication endpoint between applications or services. And port number is associated with the IP address for communication between two applications or two services. Here you can see the example of port number along with the IP address. Here we will see what is MAC address. Full form of MAC address is Media Access Control Address, and MAC address is a unique identifier of NIC. NIC is nothing but Network Interface Controller, and MAC address is nothing but physical address of any device. And MAC address has two parts. First part is 3 bytes long, and it specify the company that made network interface controller. And second part is 3 bytes long, and it specify the serial number of the network interface controller. To find the MAC address, we have to use this command ipconfig/all and execute it in command prompt. Here you can see the wireless adapter MAC address. Here we will see what is connection oriented protocol and what is connectionless protocol. In connection oriented protocol, the sender sends data to the receiver. Once the receiver receives the data, it sends acknowledgement back to the sender. So it is reliable, but it is slow. Example of connection oriented protocol is TCP. But in connectionless protocol, the sender sends data to the receiver. Once data is received by the receiver won't send acknowledgement back to the sender. So it is not reliable, but it is fast. The example of connectionless protocol is UDP. Here we will see what is socket. Server and client have network endpoints called sockets. Sockets are bound to specific port, and socket is nothing but combination of IP address and port, and server socket is nothing but combination of this IP address colon this port number, and client socket is nothing but combination of this IP address colon this port number. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.